naked. When it's being you, stop feeling boring. I'm like a fucking real life.